Welcome to Ovikanha's art.
Hey there, little artists! Today, we are creating a beautiful Happy Dussehra card. Let's start by using simple marker strokes to make a colorful base of yellow, orange, and pink. First, we will use shades of yellow. Now let's use orange color. Let's add some strokes of pink. These bright colors represent the joy and energy of the festival. Next, we'll draw a powerful bow and arrow, symbolizing the victory of good over evil with a touch of magic. Watch as we use a black glitter pen to bring it to life, surrounded by sparkling stars. These stars shine just like the happiness Dussehra brings to everyone's heart. And there you have it, dazzling Dussehra card ready to spread festive cheer. Don't forget to add your own sparkles and share it with your loved ones. Happy Dussehra!